Honda Jazz. Actually, a lot of Hondas say HRV and Jazz. Common issue as they age. The mirrors get kind of discolored or whatever. Anyway, if you do want to replace one of them, I got one, we'll say, from another car from the same year that's in good condition. Because brand new, they're a couple €100. So if you do want to replace one of them, ideally this is better with a screwdriver. But actually, now that I think about it, this isn't. You have just a little card that you can wedge in there. I'll just show you how to take it out and swap it. It's better when it's two-handed, so ideally I'm just trying to wedge that in there, and once you do, you can kind of slide it up along here and that comes off. If you're not used to kind of messing with plastics, this will feel very awkward. It feels like you're going to break it. After that, then there's outside clips all the way around, so really not too much pressure, but I'm pulling downwards and kind of almost outwards. You might go from the other way for a start. And what I find sometimes you're really better off wedging your finger in at the top here. This is awkward, and there's probably someone in the comments that can show me a lot better than this, but I normally wedge it over that way and then it clips out. And clipping all the way around. I'm just using my fingers to get in underneath. Oops, and now it's out. So they're just clipped in those little places there. So anyway, to take out the mirror, where are we gone? So there's a small little screw you'll see here. So all you do is loosen that off, and then it just kind of slides free, and then you get the new one. So you see the silver one there. Oops, slide it back on. You tighten it up, but not too tight. And then that housing sits back up around. So push it back up into place, and you're just clipping that back into place all the way around where it was. And then the last one, that sits back in. So probably from the... I'm not verbalizing this very well, but I'm putting in this section first, and then the top one clicks into place there, and then rear view mirrors replaced. Hopefully it's useful. Thanks for watching.